Semantic HTML genuinely uses tags that describe real meaning like nav tag or article tag instead of generic divs for everything. In this video you'll compare both real approaches. This real markup genuinely works visually with CSS, but conveys zero actual meaning to browsers, screen readers, or search engines. This real nav tag genuinely tells browsers and assistive tech this is navigation real, actual semantic meaning. Semantic HTML genuinely uses tags that describe real meaning. A div span conveys genuinely zero meaning on its own. Semantic tags genuinely help screen readers, SEO, and code readability all at once. Replace a real div tag in your own project with a genuine header tag. Ready to structure real page headings correctly.